2 over square is equal to square over 18. The square is equal to what? Okay, let's solve this algebraically. What we have here is pretty much 2 over our square is equal to our square over 18. The best way to solve this is to first multiply both sides by 18. Doing this, you will see that these 18s cancel out, and we are left with 2 times 18 across the top, which we know is 36 over square, which is equal to square. Now let's move this square over to the other side as well. What we'll get is by multiplying each side by square. Doing so will mean that these squares cancel out here, and these squares multiply together as normal, and we get that 36 is equal to square squared, or square times square. Now we need to square root both sides, so we need the square root of 36 is equal to the square, and we know the square root of 36 is 6, therefore the square is equal to 6, and our answer here is B.